Assalamu alaikum. So welcome back. Today I'm going to share you how to read these 6 letters. The first one is Saddaqa. Let's break it down. There is Sad and Dal and Qaf, the 3 letters. And in all of these letters have Fatha over there. But what is this? This is Shadda. You say Shadda or Tashdeed, whatever you want to say. How to pronounce Tashdeed? Okay, let me tell you about this. Shadda is pronounced 2 times. One time by itself and one time with the previous letter. So the previous letter there is Sad and it will be joined with Dal. Sad, Dal, Fatha will be Sad. And Dal has Fatha over there. So there is Sadda, say Sadda, say with me, Sadda, and the 2 dots of Qaf. Qaf Fatha will be Qa. So it will be Saddaqa. Say Saddaqa. Now look at this. The same case, 3 Fatha and there is Shadda over Dal. So Ain Dal Fatha will be Ad. And Dal has Fatha. The first time I pronounce Dal by its previous letter, that is Ain. Ain Dal Fatha, Ad Dal Fatha, Da, Ad Da. And again Dal Fatha will be Da. So Addada. Say Addada. Now try to pronounce this word. The same case, 3 Fatha and 1 Shadda. So Qaf Dal Fatha. Good. Try to pronounce. Okay. Qad. And Dal Fatha. Try to pronounce. Da. Qadda. So Qadda, and this is Ra Fatha Ra. Qaddara. So what will be this? Now there is Kaf, not Qaf. Like it's not heavy. So Kaf, Zal, Fatha will be Kaz. And Zal Fatha will be Za. Kazza. And there is Ba. Ba has Fatha over there. So it will be, yes, Ba. Kazzaba. There is Noon, then Ain. Ain has Tashdeed over there, and there is Mim. Al have Fatha. It will be Na'ama. Say, Noon will join with Ain. Na'ama. And what is this? Now look at this. This is a little bit different. There is Ya, Za, and Noon. Za. What is on Za? Dhamma. And what is in Noon? Noon has Dhamma. So Ya Fatha will be Ya. Za will join with Noon. Za Dhamma and Noon. It will be Zun. Yazun. And Noon Dhamma will be Nu. Yazudnu. So let's read all of them again. So Saddaqa, Addada, Qaddara, Kazzaba, Na'ama, Yazunnu. So that's how we learn how to read Shadda. So we have practiced today 6 letters. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button. So I will there for you.